cream is starting?
Yeah.
Well, not yet. We don't do that candy until it's almost ready. It's not ready yet, though. What's happening in there?
And ice cream.
What are we making, Penelope?
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream?
Pink ice cream.
What kind of candy is it?
Pinky. Pink ice cream.
Is it going to be the color of your shirt?
This color is what?
What are these?
Oh.
What are they?
Candy.
Candy. What kind of candy? What candy did we crush up in a bag from the Christmas tree? Candy canes.
Candy canes. It's going like bubbly.
You ate some and some are in your belly?
Yeah.
What did we just put in there?
Candy canes. Let's see. Pink ice cream. I know that she made pink ice cream.
What do you think?
Good.
Tell the camera how good it is.
Pink ice cream.
Yummy, is it good?